that you're leaving, well, that comes as no surprise. Still, I kinda like this feeling of being left behind. This ain't nothing new to me. Well, it's just like going home. It's kinda like those sunsets that leave you feeling so stoned. My head, I stand transfixed before the street light, watching the snow fall on this cold December night. Somehow the feeling's gone.